excited to have my guest this morning, Ashley, as a golf cart confession person. So we're gonna get ready. Hey Ashley, why don't you back the golf cart?
Do I have to?
Oh my goodness, she said, do I have to? Let's do it. She says her dad owns a golf course, so this should be pretty easy. So she's backing on out, and we are gonna get ready for the B-roll of Golf Cart Confession. Me and Ashley are about to take off in the golf cart. Now, I don't know if you knew this about Ashley, but her parents own a golf cart, so a golf course, right?
Yeah, my dad is the GM in Audubon in Naples, Florida.
Naples, Florida?
Yeah.
And you moved to Bowling Green, Kentucky from Naples, Florida?
I love it.
Do you love it?
I love it.
I tell you, it's a great place to live, isn't it?
It's wonderful. People are great. The seasons are a little weird to get used to, but everything else has been perfect.
Really?
Yeah.
Even this golf cart confession is gonna be perfect. So guys, stay tuned because we are about to get golf cart confessions underway. And yes, wait a minute, it's 7:20 in the morning. We're driving the golf cart and we're doing golf cart confessions. Do you wanna be on the next golf cart confessions? Ashley, should they?
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah, come on out and be on the next Golf Cart Confession. Stay tuned because Ashley's Golf Cart Confession will air April 9th at 9:15 in the morning. Will you be next?